How to fix WhatsApp message not sent problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp message not sent problem on Android phone. First, just open settings and then go to apps and then apps again, and here just type WhatsApp, and now all you need to do just click storage and then clear cache, and then click this one here, permissions. Enable all of those permissions here, just click on it, click allow, click contacts, click allow, and that's it. It's easy. And then click force stop, and now if go back to WhatsApp, and if that doesn't fix your problem, open the settings and then storage and data. Now disable this one here when connected on Wi-Fi and mobile data, disable all of those, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.